This guide will help you optimize the graphics settings for Cyberpunk 2077 to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to achieve the best performance and visuals. Step 1. Access the graphics settings. Launch Cyberpunk 2077 and navigate to the main menu. From there, select Options and then click on Graphics to access the graphics settings. Step 2. Adjust resolution. In the graphics settings, find the resolution option. Set it to match your monitor's native resolution for the best clarity. If performance is an issue, consider lowering the resolution slightly. Step 3. Set graphics quality. Locate the graphics quality settings, which typically include presets like low, medium, high, and ultra. Start with a preset that matches your hardware capabilities, and adjust it based on performance during gameplay. Step 4. Tweak individual settings. Explore individual graphics options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and ray tracing. Adjust these settings based on your system's performance. Lowering settings like shadow quality can significantly improve frame rates. Step 5. Enable DLSS if available. If your graphics card supports DLSS deblinding super sampling, enable it to improve performance without sacrificing visual quality. Choose a DLSS setting that balances performance and image quality. By following these steps, you can effectively set up the graphics settings in Cyberpunk 2077 for an enjoyable gaming experience. Happy gaming!